Setting up VPN Lightning only takes 3 steps once you purchase our services. Step number 1, simply go to our website, click VPN apps and select the device type you are installing, or go to your device's app store and download the app and install it that way. Step number 2, once installed, enter the email and password you created when you first registered to purchase our service. Step number 3, click the red power button icon and wait for it to turn green. It is as simple as 1, 2, 3. So click the link below and start enjoying VPN Lightning today.